Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life, and today is going to be a very interesting video as it has been captured over a period of like last 4 months. Now this is a very beautiful succulent that I had in my garden which I had purchased in the month of January, and then rains happened suddenly in the month of Feb and I lost this wonderful succulent. It's an aloe-like succulent. It's a Casteria. It's also called as the ox tongue. It's also called as the lawyer's tongue. I'll try to insert a picture about how it actually looks. I do have pictures of how it was looking before this disaster struck. Here, these were the leaves of the plant, and these are the inner leaves of the plant. So I kind of removed it leaf by leaf and tried to save it. Also here the process is really long, but yes, I can tell you at this point that there is also success. So what I did was I removed each of this leaf and allowed it to dry for a day or two. After drying the species for 2 days, what I did next was I chopped off the leaves into 2 parts. Now here the idea was to increase the number of propagation pieces that I have. So in case 1 or 2 do not succeed, the remaining at least would give me some amount of success. Well, the smaller pieces that I had did not survive, but this little matured pieces, I allowed it to dry again for another 3 days before I rooted it or planted it in a pot. After callousing these pieces for 3 days, what I have done next is I have used a very good soil, a nutritious soil, so that it provides a boost for its growth. What I have done is I've used a major portion of my garden soil. I've used perlite and I've used vermicompost as the soil mix. Of those many pieces that I had rooted, these are the only 2 those have survived. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig them from this pot and show you the growth that has happened to these pieces that I had grown. Here the soil mix is very important because that becomes the only source of nutrition that would provide a boost for these cuttings. So here let me quickly dig up the soil. The soil is really dry because I have not watered it for quite some time. So let me quickly dig up and show you the root system, the root growth that has happened over a period of last 4 months. So the month of February is what I had done, and today this is the root system and this is the growth of the cuttings. The next aspect is the sunlight. After these cuttings were placed in this soil mix, I have kept them in bright indirect sunlight. So I have not placed them where they would get direct sunlight. Indirect sunlight is the most important aspect while growing succulents from cuttings. And since this is an aloe-like succulent and it is a really hardy succulent, I could have placed it in direct sunlight, but I have avoided the same for at least a period of 1 week. After that, slowly, hour by hour, like 2 hours per day, I've increased it, and then it got used to the sunlight. So what I'm doing is I'm placing them back into the same soil because there's a lot of growth still left for these cuttings, because I want new shoots to come out from these cuttings. So I have placed them back in the same soil, and I'll show you how I water these cuttings today and otherwise as well. This is a small plastic tray or place trays at which we keep under pots so that the water gets accumulated. I have used that. I have added some water and I've kept this small pot in it, and I'm waiting for the water to be soaked up by this soil. Now this is the best way of watering your succulents or your cacti, because you are not pouring the water on top. It does not splash on the leaves or on the cuttings. So this works wonderfully well for most and all of my succulent. So here you notice the entire water is already absorbed by the soil mix, and I'm not going to water at least for the next 15 days and wait for the soil to be completely dry. Well, this is just one part of the entire process. I still want to wait for new shoots to come out from these cuttings. So wait with me till we see growth in these cuttings. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again with a new video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.